Hello everyone, welcome to my video. In this video, I will share to you story about me and also my family introduction. Before it, let me introduce myself. My name is David Mario Yohanes Samosir and you can call me David. I was born on September 6, 2002 in Cibinong, West Java. Although I'm originally from Cibinong, Bogor, I now live in Wisma Singaraja. I'm currently a student at Ganesha University of Education with majoring in computer science. My journey into the world of computers began during high school when I studied computer and network engineering. This experience sparked my interest in technology and led me to pursue a degree in computer science. I'm particularly passionate about networking and artificial intelligence or AI. I think you know about AI right now, right? And my ultimate goal is to become an AI network engineering. I'm dedicated to working hard to achieve this dream. I have a variety of favorite things. For food, I really enjoy catfish, my mother's homemade soto, and also, if you know green bean porridge, because it has its own stories and memories for me since I was little or since I was kids. When it comes to fruits, I love durian. You know durian? It's a great fruit and because of its unique fragrance and incredible sweet taste. Besides durian, I also like mangoes and avocados because of their flavors and textures. I am a fan of things in blue and white colors, which is why many of my belongings are in those colors. When I'm not engrossed in my studying, I enjoy various hobbies. I like reading comic books with the genres of fantasy, romance, and also about the cultivation. If you know about the cultivation, I like it. Apart from that, I like listening to pop music and sometimes also instrumental music. The musical instrument I like the most is the saxophone because the sound is so luxurious and extraordinary for me. I really like listening to music played by the saxophone. Then, sometimes even trying to cover songs. Apart from that, I'm also a fan of badminton. Although I rarely play it, but when there is a match, I will watch it either live or via the internet. And finally, often taking a leisurely walk makes me feel calm and able to see the scenery and surroundings more carefully. One of my primary aspirations is to provide for my family and create opportunities for us to enjoy vacation and quality time together. I strongly believe that by excelling in my chosen career, I can turn this dream into a reality and secure a successful future. Looking back, one of the most cherished family memories is our weekend trips. Even though we had only one motorcycle, whether it was a simple outing or a visit to my cousin's house, we always had a wonderful time together. My family consists of four members, such as my father, my mother, my big sister, and also myself. My father works in the private sector, and my mother is a housewife who also offers tutoring service since retiring as a religions and English and German teacher at my old school. Their hard work and dedication have taught me valuable life lessons. My older sister served as civil servant in the civil division, and her accomplishment serve as a constant source of motivation of me. As for now, I am still continuing my education. However, I have also opened a service since vocational school by selling my skills, such as in the repairing laptops and and installing some of application on laptops. Apart from that, I'm also someone who like entrepreneurship. Yes, and can sell. I like entrepreneurship because can sell and promote something if I have a good opportunity. This is me, God. Um, Maybe it's a talent that comes from my family, and I'm proud of it. For me, family is where I first learned about love and created priceless memories, and they continue to be my biggest source of inspiration and support. I think that all I can share to you about my story of me and my family. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.